What are the symbols of Tokyo? Tokyo Tower, Skytree. There's one more. It's something exceptional. The Metropolitan Expressway. It supports daily lives in the capital. Countless buildings in the city. The extensive expressway structure weaves through valleys of these numerous buildings. 1 million vehicles flow in a day. Many vehicles pass through, even during the night. Engineering staff continue to maintain the expressway, regardless of the time of day. And the maintenance of the expressway is achieving great strides in its evolution. A new maintenance system. It's called iDreams. The engineering staff are currently creating another digital expressway. Take a look at this most advanced system. iDreams. This system has everything, from when the expressway was built, to the present day, and to the future. For over 60 years, the Metropolitan Expressway has been finding ways to alleviate congestion. In the water. In the air. The Metropolitan Expressway has been building the network in the Greater Tokyo area using the latest technologies available. Diagrams and documents back then were written by hand. Such information was stored and kept only on paper. What makes iDreams groundbreaking is that it takes all of the information available and turns it into data. The data are linked to the maps via GIS and managed comprehensively. With one click, you can find the information you need. By using the Completion Drawing Library, you can see the blueprints during construction. You can also view detailed information, such as inspections and repair records of each structure. The versatile register is easy to use. With this information, the development of roads can be seen easily. Present-day data is currently being stored to create an even more convenient system. A car with an omnidirectional camera and a laser scanner surveys the expressway. It scans the Metropolitan Expressway and nearby facilities. It collects and stores three-dimensional point cloud data in iDreams. The Metropolitan Expressway in the computer can be used for many things. It's possible to make on-site measurements in iDreams. The InfraDoctor system uses the point cloud data expertly. The system visualizes structures as well as changes or damages on a three-dimensional level. Various simulations can be done on the computer prior to the on-site work. This makes it possible to carry out work plans more accurately. It also includes facility monitoring data, videos of traffic, and data on congestion and the amount of traffic. Various data is collected and stored in iDreams. This is the future we are striving for.
この損傷の最適な補修時期、補修工法を教えて。
Information such as the years a road has been used and the amount of traffic are used to predict structural deterioration. The system helps to create plans for repairs using this data. iDreams shows its true worth during natural disasters. The Disaster Preparedness Information System is in development. This is for large-scale disasters, such as earthquakes. A patrol car will perform emergency inspections and share location and visual data with the system. Headquarters can assess the damage in real time. With data from remote supervision sensors and the digital Metropolitan Expressway, Headquarters can quickly gain information on the damage to structures. We aim to fix any damage in a swift manner. iDreams inherits the technologies of our predecessors and leads us to the future with infrastructure management evolution. iDreams will maintain the future of the Metropolitan Expressway.